Hello everyone, this is the beginning of a series of beginners Excel training. We're going to start with formulas. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through these 10 formulas and show you how easy they are. And we're going to start. So let's say, for example, you wanted to add 2 cells. What you would do is you would start with an equal sign. You always start a formula with an equal sign in Excel. So here you would say, I want a 1 plus 2. And that would get you 3. So that's one way of doing it. Remember, in Office, there's always quite a few ways of doing the same thing. And some are easier and some are more convenient. Some are a little bit harder and less convenient. So we're gonna show you just the basics here. So if you can see up here in the formula bar, right here we have the same formula here. What we can do is, if we wanted to refer to the cell, what we can do is grab this cell and then put the plus sign, and then grab this cell and then press enter, and that would give us 3. Now, the advantage of that is that we could change a number in the cell, and when we press enter, your total will change. So that's basically how we're going to do the first 4. The next one is subtract. So subtracting is basically the same thing. So we're going to go maybe 5, and then we're going to want to subtract maybe 3 from there. And we're going to create our formula. So to create that formula, we would put equals, and we want this cell, and then we want to subtract this cell from there, and you press enter. So that is correct. So we will get 2. Same thing with multiply. Let's say we wanted to multiply a couple of numbers. So we wanted to multiply 2, and we want to multiply 4. And our formula again will start with an equals, and then we will refer to the cell. The multiplication symbol is the asterisk. So you would do a shift 8, and then you would refer to your next cell. C3, enter, and that would be 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Same thing with the divide. Let's say we wanted to take the number 10. We wanted to divide it by 2. So again, we would start with the equal sign, and here we would put cell B4, and then we would divide is slash, and then you would put the next cell, and then you would press enter, and then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So those are the first basic add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And thank you very much for joining us.